Are you experiencing stress from missing work, confusion in class, suffering from low grades? The time is now. Try Be On Time. Be On Time is a daily treatment to improve your opportunity for greatness. Serious side effects include increased alertness, decrease in dark circles, clearer skin, better fashion, and no ISS. It can also increase the risk of being enrolled, employed, or enlisted.
I'm finally getting my work in on time.
I made honor roll.
They some breakfast here?
No need to ask. Be On Time is right for you.
No llegas tarde, perderás algo bueno.
Don't be late, you'll miss something great.
ना करे आप कुछ बहुत अच्छा याद करेंगे.
Don't be late, you'll miss something great.
Ne sois pas en retard, tu vas rater quelque chose de génial.
Don't be late, you'll miss something great.
Đừng trễ, bạn sẽ bỏ lỡ điều gì đó tuyệt vời.
Don't be late, you'll miss something
No
great.
llegues tarde, perderás algo grandioso.
मोड़ा ना पड़ो, कसु सुंदर चुकी जाए.
Don't be late, you'll miss something great.
The time is now.
Don't be late, you'll miss something great.